Namaste बच्चों. Today we are going to see part 7 बल्ब जला. बल्ब माने बल्ब, जला माने burn. Okay children. So बल्ब जला. The name of the lesson is बल्ब जला. माँ रसोई घर में थी. The mother was in the kitchen. पिताजी उनकी सहायता कर रहे थे. The father was helping the mother. आज घर में कई मेहमान आने वाले थे. Today they were expecting some guests. तभी आनंद को कुछ स्मरण में हो आया. That time आनंद has remembered something. वह भागा हुआ अपने कमरे की ओर गया. So he is running and go to his room. पर दरवाजे पर ही लौट आया. But he is not entering his room. He is returning on the door itself. माँ, पापा, मैं आपको कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ. मम्मी, डैडी, I like to show you something. आज मुझे रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिला है. Today I received my report card. पापा ने तौलिए में से हाथ पोंछते हुए कहा, तो ले आओ ना. The father is wiping his hand in the towel and telling Anand, go and bring the report card. वहाँ अंधेरा है, कैसे जाऊँ? Then the Anand is telling, there is so dark, how can I go? आनंद ने हिचकते कहा. हिचकते माने hesitatingly. Okay ma'am. Anand is telling, no daddy, I can't go inside. अंधेरा है तो दौड़कर बल्ब जला लो. Okay, the father is telling, if it is dark, go and switch on the light. अंधेरा है तो दौड़कर बल्ब जला लो, माँ ने कहा. The mother is telling, if it is dark, go and switch on the light. But what Anand is doing? वह बाहर गया. He is going outside. अपनी 3 वर्ष की बहन का हाथ कसकर पकड़कर बोला, विशी चलो मेरे साथ. So he is going outside of the house and bringing his sister, 3 years old sister. Okay, he is holding the hand of his sister and telling Vishi, the name of that girl is Vishi. Vishi, come with me. अंदर जाकर बल्ब जलाओ. Go inside and switch on the light. पिताजी सुन रहे थे. The father is listening to this. वे आश्चर्य में पड़ बोले, क्या बात है? He was surprised to see that Anand is a boy and he is calling his sister to switch on the light. आनंद को पहले अंदर जाने में क्या समस्या है? The father is asking. Okay, what is there? Why you are not going inside? उसने छोटी विशी को भेजा. Why are you sending your sister inside? माँ जोर से हंसी. The mother is laughing aloud. आप नहीं जानते, आनंद अंधकार से डरता है. Don't you know that Anand was scared of darkness? इसलिए विषय के पहले भीतर भेज रहा है. That is why he is sending Vishi to go inside the room first. पिताजी आनंद के कमरे में गए. The father is going inside the Anand room. उसका रिपोर्ट कार्ड देखा. He is looking at the Anand's report card. आनंद की पीठ टोकी, बोले वाह अच्छी रिपोर्ट है. Okay, the father is encouraging. Okay, he is near touching the back of the Anand and telling, वाह very good, you scored very well. परिश्रम करो तो अगली बार और सुधार होगा. Do some hard work so that you will get more marks than this what you have now. अरे हाँ, माँ कह रही थी तुम अंधेरे से डरते हो. ओके. अरे हाँ, माँ कह रही थी तुम अंधेरे से डरते हो. The mother is telling to Anand, oh my dear, you are scared of darkness. जी हाँ, मुझे अंधेरे से बहुत डर लगता है. Anand is accepting. Yes, mommy, I am scared of darkness. कमरे के कोने में किसी की छाया बैठी दिखाई देती है जो बल्ब जलते ही भाग जाती है. Then Anand is telling, yes, to his father. Anand is telling, yes daddy, something in black color is sitting in the corner of the room. Okay, कमरे माने रूम, कोने माने कॉर्नर की छाया, छाया माने शैडो, बैठी दिखाई देती है. Something in black color is sitting in the corner of the room, जो बल्ब जलते ही भाग जाती है. It runs off. Okay, it runs off when we switch on the light. आनंद ने आंखें नीचे कर रहा. So after telling all these things, he is looking at the floor because he felt very shame of this. Okay, क्या तुमने, the father is asking now, क्या तुमने उसे भागते हुए देखा है? What? Have you seen that something is running from your room? The father is asking the Anand. पिताजी ने पूछा. The father asked Anand. Anand, are you seen something is running from your room? नहीं. No. पापा, मैंने उसे कभी नहीं देखा. Father, पापा माने डैडी. ओके, डैडी आई नेवर सीन. ओके, आनंद झिझकते हुए बोला. Immediately Anand is telling, I didn't see daddy, but it is there inside the room. तो फिर डर किससे रहे हो? Okay, then the father is asking, then why are you getting scared, my dear Anand? Why you have fear to go inside the room? छाया है, छाया माने शैडो, छाया है, यह तुम्हारा भ्रम है. भ्रम माने misconception. Okay, it is your imagination. Okay, छाया रोशनी से डरती है. The shadow scared of the light. Okay, और तुम अंधेरे से, and you scared of the darkness. क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? अंधेरे भगाने वाले बल्ब किसने बनाया था? Do you know who has invented the bulb? पिताजी ने कंधे पर हाथ रखकर कहा. कंधे माने shoulder. Okay, the father is keeping his hand over the shoulder of the Anand and he is explaining. आनंद ने सिर हिलाया. सिर हिलाना माने shaking the head. Okay, as if he don't know that who has invented the bulb. बिशी कूद कर पापा की गोद में चढ़ गई. बिशी माने that girl's name, that younger sister's name. Okay, कूद कर माने she jumped and sat on the lap of the daddy. Okay, बिशी कूद कर पापा की गोद में चढ़ गई. बिशी is jumping and sitting in the lap of his father. वे बैठते हुए बोले, आनंद, यह बल्ब एडिसन ने बनाया था. Okay, then daddy is telling, this bulb was made by Edison. उसका पूरा नाम था थॉमस आल्वा एडिसन. His full name is थॉमस आल्वा एडिसन. तुम तो पढ़ने में बहुत होशियार हो. You are very intelligent in studies. वैसे भी बहुत चतुर हो. चतुर माने क्लेवर, and you are very clever. पर एडिसन का मन पढ़ने लिखने में नहीं लगता था. But Edison was not good in his studies. उसके शिक्षक हमेशा उसकी शिकायत करते रहते थे. Edison's teacher were always complaining about him because he don't study well. एडिसन का मन कुछ तोड़कर नया बनाने के कामों में खूब लगता. Edison always thought, okay, Edison always thinking to do something new, okay. He used to break something. तोड़ना माने to break, नया बनाने माने to make something new. Say he always involved himself in making some new things. घर के एक कोने में बैठा वह चीजों को ध्यान से देखा. Edison used to sit in the one corner of his house. कुछ तोड़ता, कुछ बनाता. He used to break something and he used to make something. Edison बहुत परिश्रमी था. Edison is a very hard worker. बड़ी लगन से काम करता. He used to work very hard. He shows involvement in his work. वह कुछ नया बनाना चाहता था. Always he wants to make something new. बल्ब बनाने में एडिसन को कई वर्ष लग गए. So it takes many years for Edison to invent the bulb. इस बीच उसने बहुत से ऐसे औजार बनाए. औजार माने devices, instruments, okay. In the meantime, he has invented many things जो प्रतिदिन हमारे काम आते हैं. Those things we are using in our day-to-day life. तुम्हारे नाना जी के घर जो पुराना ग्रामोफोन है. Now the Anand's father is explaining to his son Anand that the gramophone which you have seen in our grandfather's house, okay, जो पुराना माने एंशियंट ग्रामोफोन, उसका नमूना, द मॉडल, ओके, who has made that model for that gramophone? एडिसन. नमूना भी एडिसन ने बनाया था. He only has made that model. उसने लगभग 200 चीजों की खोज की. ओके, he has discovered around 200 things. Okay children, उन्हें संवारा और काम में आने लायक बनाया. So those 200 things are for decorative purpose and for our day-to-day life uses. Okay ma'am. आज एडिसन का नाम संसार के प्रसिद्ध वैज्ञानिकों में गिना जाता है. Edison is one of the famous scientists name. अच्छा, अब मैं बत्ती बुझाना लगा हूँ. मुझे दिखाना वह छाया किस कोने में है. Okay, now the daddy is telling, okay, now I am going to switch on the light. You show me where that black color shadow is there. ऐसा कहते कहते वे विशी को उठा कमरे से बाहर चले गए. So by telling like this, he went outside of the room. आनंद ने इधर उधर देखा. आनंद is looking here and there. डरते डरते कोने की तरफ बढ़ा. Okay, why? Because he thought that still that black color shadow there inside the room. आंख बंद कर सोचने लगा. He closed his eyes and thinking of that. क्या एडिसन बचपन में अंधेरे से डरता होगा? So Anand thought, no, the Edison also may be scared of the darkness. Okay, नहीं मैं भी क्या डरूं? So why I should get scared? उसने आंखें खोली. He opened his eyes. भय भाग चुका था. Okay, so that scaredness has gone. वह चिल्लाया. He was shouting, पापा यहाँ कोई नहीं है. Okay, Daddy, there is nothing over here. और मुझे डर भी नहीं लग रहा. And I don't got fear also now. मैं स्वयं बटन दबाऊंगा. Hereafter I will put the switch. और एडिसन का बल्ब जलाऊंगा. And hereafter I'll switch on the Edison's bulb. वह कमरे से बाहर आया. He came outside of the room. फिर अकेला भीतर गया and again went into his room alone. बटन दबाया. Then he switched on the light. कमरा प्रकाश में जगमगा उठा. The room was glittered by the light. Okay. वह हमसे हुई बोला अब मैं अंधेरे सा नहीं डरता. Okay. So now Anand is telling hereafter I will not got scared of the darkness. अंधेरा मुझसे डरता है. The darkness has to get scared of me क्योंकि मेरे पास एडिसन का बल्ब. Okay, he is telling why, because I am having Edison's bulb. So hereafter I will not get scared of the darkness. Bulb जला अंधेरा भागा. So if you switch on the light, we can rid of the darkness. Okay children, hope you understand this lesson. Thank you children. धन्यवाद.